My hair is very healthy and thick. In fact, I can't blow dry it myself anymore. I've given up trying. Hello, I'm Alli Drew. Let's talk hair today. And for those of you who don't know how to access the description box and the Amazon store, I will give you a quick tutorial at the end of this video. I too started losing my hair during menopause like everyone else, and my doctor, my wonderful doctor, who went on my estrogen cream journey with me, recommended Viviscal. At the outset, I want you all to know I am not being paid by Viviscal. I had thick hair my whole life until menopause, and since taking Viviscal, my hair is thicker than it was prior to menopause. I took it for 4 months, twice a day, and after 4 months, my hair got so out of control thick, I had to stop taking it twice a day. It can take up to 6 months to see results, or it can be as short as 3 months. After 4 months, I took it once a day and my hair was still too thick. So I cut back to 6 days a week, still too thick. I'm down to 5 days a week and I skip Wednesdays and Saturdays. I've been on it for 4 years. Now, it's not for everyone. If you have a seafood allergy, don't take it, because it has marine extracts, and for the same reason, you don't want to take it if you're a vegetarian or a vegan. Also, it doesn't work for everyone. My hair is very healthy and thick. In fact, I can't blow dry it myself anymore. I've given up trying. Washing it can be a bit onerous too, but it's a quality problem. I like to use this Aveeno sulfate-free shampoo. It's not expensive, and I like how it suds up versus some of the other sulfate-free shampoos. Sulfates, which are aggressive detergents, can strip your hair of its shine. I also like this Redken conditioner, which is inexpensive. To dispense it, remove the cap. Don't buy a separate pump. I've linked both products below. I will explain in a quick tutorial the best way to wash your hair at the end of this video. It's funny because no one ever really teaches us the life skill of how to wash our hair. My hair grows so fast because of the Viviscal, so to touch up my roots, I use this product and I spray from a distance so it doesn't get too intense. And the color I like to use is light to medium blonde. Viviscal has done extensive research and clinical studies for many years to get this formula right. The main ingredient is horsetail extract, which is a plant-based remedy for the skin, hair, and bones. Some practitioners recommend horsetail extract just to strengthen our bones. One Viviscal pill contains 10 milligrams of iron. Women 50 and older need 8 milligrams of iron per day. Women 19 to 50 need 18 milligrams. so it helps you meet that amount. I love this full look. I also love this soft wave look. This I can do myself, and here's how. When I get out of the shower, I use a microfiber towel on my hair. It causes the least amount of damage to your hair. And I use this product. This is Floyd's grooming product, and it's also a body lotion. It's a leave-in conditioner and a body lotion. So if you don't like it, you can use it on your body. It has a nice fresh smell to it. And I use a generous amount, but if you have thin hair, you can use less. And I apply it all throughout my hair. I love the smell. It's got a minty smell to it. And I comb it through with a wide tooth comb like this. So this Floyd's conditioner is available on Amazon, and I'll link the product below, and I make sure it's spread evenly. Now, what I like about this conditioner is it gives you a bend to your hair. It doesn't make your hair really flowy. It makes your hair just a little bit wiry, if that makes sense. So I can only blow dry my hair underneath, because if I blow dry my hair on the outside with a diffuser, it gets too frizzy. So this is what I do just to get some of the water out. I just blow dry underneath. And I use the sock diffuser. It's great. It's great for travel. You just throw it in your suitcase. And so the final stage, and yes, it's this easy, I put this product on, this Moroccan oil mousse, and I also spread it throughout my hair. I use a lot of it. I use it everywhere. I make sure I get it on the ends of my hair. I part it down the side. And my part doesn't need to be perfect because it's a messy hairstyle. and then I scrunch it. I scrunch it from the bottom. I scrunch it on top. And then the key is to leave it alone. Now, I let my hair air dry. I live in Southern California. It is very hot and very dry here, but since my hair is super thick from the Viviscal, sometimes it can take almost all day for it to dry. And again, I just leave it alone and I let it dry on its own. Now, if your hair is thin, what you can do is you can twist it. And what I do is I twist it backwards, away from my face, like this. And I twist it all the way down, and I just leave it alone, like that. I scrunch it, leave it alone, and that's it. Now, I can get a couple of days out of this hairstyle. At night, I sleep in this silk bonnet. I like this one because you can tighten it around your head. I'll link this one for you. And that's it. Now, if your hair is thin and you don't want to use too many products, you can also try this product. I would use just a little bit of the Floyd's conditioner, just a little bit, and then I would try it with this product. And I wear my hair like this a lot because I can do it myself, and it's cute, it's kind of beachy looking, and it's so easy. I also love this straight look, and in order to have a shine for long hair on older women, I recommend this product. I just started using it. It's called Kenra. My hairstylist turned me on to it, and I use a lot of it. It's very light, so you can use a lot of it, and it gives my hair a really pretty youthful shine. So I highly recommend it, and it really has a nice smell too. So I really like it, and I highly recommend it. If you decide to try the Viviscal, please purchase it from the description box below. It will really help me out, and I hope it works for you. The first box will cost you about $70, and remember, it's an investment in your hair. Stay tuned for 2 tutorials. Remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Stay tuned. When we wash our hair, it's funny because nobody really teaches us how to wash our hair, but I use about a tablespoon of shampoo because I have a lot of hair and I also have a big head. But I wet my hair really well, and I really focus on washing my scalp because our scalp is where we have dead skin and where we have a lot of oil. And I really focus on cleaning my scalp, and I don't scrub my scalp with my fingernails. I use the pads of my fingers, and I clean my scalp really well, and then I let the suds rinse off the rest of my hair, and I let the suds kind of rinse off and clean the long part of my hair. and that's it. But it's really important to clean your scalp and focus on your scalp. So that's my 2 cents about washing your hair, and I hope that helps you. So under each video, you will see the word more. So you want to hit on more, and then you want to hit on more again, and you will see links to Amazon. Once you see the link, you can hit on the link for whatever product you want to purchase, and those links will take you to a server, Chrome, Google, or Safari, and you can use any of those servers and they will take you to Amazon. And that's it.